50 becomes 0.5, 25 becomes 0.25, 75 becomes 0.75, 12.5 becomes 0.125, and so on and so forth. But can you figure out what 1/16 would be? Let's repeat the same steps we've done in the two previous videos. Half of 1/8 is 1/16. Half of 12.5 is 6.25. Therefore, our decimal value of 1/16 is 0.0625. Now let's solve for 13/16 using everything we've learned. 13/16 is merely 3/4 plus 1/16, which is 0.75 plus 0.0625, which equals 0.8125. Therefore, 13/16 is 0.8125. Now here's one for you. Can you solve for 7/16? Post your response in the comments below and stay tuned for my next video